Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson. I'm working on another new project. This time, Ohka's Mitsubishi G4M Betty bomber. Till later, see ya. This Betty bomber is one I've always wanted to make, and 1/72nd scale is the perfect scale for me. It's a good size aircraft, but leaves plenty of room on my model shelf. But this one comes with the rocket-powered Kamikaze flying bomb, the Ohka, which was used towards the late part of the war, launched from the Betty bombers to sink Allied shipping. This kit is a very well-detailed kit. I very well enjoyed making it. Parts were, for the most part, fairly clean. I had to clean up around a couple edges where it attached to the sprue. There was some extra plastic on there, but I was able to deal with it. I weathered it because the Japanese aircraft were known to really weather badly in the South Pacific. A lot of chipped paint, a lot of lost paint. So I dirtied it up. I didn't want to overdo. You know, it's a fine balance when you get there. Do I do too much? Do I do too little? So I try to find a happy medium for that. But I'm glad to add this to my collection. It really looks nice. The only problem I had, this is a 51-year-old kit, and the decals were really yellowed. So as in my previous instructional video I did, I created my own decals for it. They worked really well, and I'm thankful that I could do that. So enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other friends' channels that I work with. Eric at Celebrating Vintage Model Kits, and also my friend Max with Max's Models on YouTube. Both very good individuals, great modelers with a wealth of information. So until my next one, stay safe out there.